Do you work hard all month and still wonder where your money disappears? Bills get paid, responsibilities get handled, but savings stay stuck at zero. If that feels familiar, you're not alone, and it's exactly why home-based micro-businesses are exploding right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 realistic micro-business ideas you can run from home. Not magic overnight ideas, real models that people build step by step, even while keeping a 9-to-5. I'll also explain what each idea actually needs from you, how to start without getting overwhelmed, and what income can look like as you grow. And one important thing before we start, you do not need to quit your job to begin. Build first, test first, grow while you learn. When the numbers start making sense, then you make decisions from confidence, not panic. All right, let's get into the ideas. 1. Print on demand. Sell products without keeping stock. Print on demand is one of the cleanest ways to start an at-home business because you can sell physical products without buying inventory up front. You create designs, list products like shirts, mugs, posters, or hoodies, and when a customer orders, the supplier prints and ships it for you. The reason this works is simple. It removes the biggest beginner risk, unsold stock sitting in your house. The system runs in the background while you're at work, asleep, or living your life. With print on demand, you are not physically packing orders. You can set it up in focused blocks of time, so the system works while you work. Once you've built your collection, you can increase prices and scale your store with little additional effort. Start by choosing a niche that you already buy. You can choose platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Merch depending on your region. The key is to stay consistent and keep optimizing listings. 2. Digital products. Create once, sell again and again. Digital products are powerful because they don't require shipping, storage, or delivery headaches. You create something downloadable, like a planner, template, checklist, or mini guide, and people buy it anytime, from anywhere. The real skill is clarity, understanding what your audience struggles with, and packaging a shortcut that saves them time. Whether it's a budgeting template or a guide to starting a podcast, if you solve a real problem, people will pay for it. Once your product is live, it can keep selling indefinitely. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website make selling easy. As you build a small library, sales start compounding, and you can create passive income. The best part, you're not constantly creating or fulfilling orders. Your digital products keep selling without additional work, creating a steady income stream over time. 3. Home-based laundry and ironing service. Low skill, high repeat demand. A home-based laundry and ironing service is one of those quiet businesses that people don't talk about much, but it works because the demand never really disappears. Busy professionals, families, students, and even small offices are always looking for someone reliable to handle washing, drying, folding, and ironing. If you already have a washing machine and a basic ironing setup, you're closer to starting than you think. What makes this business strong is repeat customers. Once someone trusts you with their clothes and likes your consistency, they usually come back every single week. That creates predictable income instead of constantly chasing new clients. You can start small by serving people in your local area and gradually build a steady routine around fixed pickup and drop-off days. Most problems in laundry businesses don't come from the work itself, they come from poor organization. Clothes get mixed up, timelines are unclear, or pricing is confusing. The solution is structure. Label orders properly, set clear turnaround times, and offer simple packages like weekly or monthly plans. When expectations are clear, the business runs smoothly. Finding clients can be very simple. Local Facebook groups, WhatsApp communities, apartment buildings, and word of mouth work extremely well for this type of service. One happy customer often brings another. As demand grows, you can increase prices slightly, add pickup services, or even bring in part-time help while still running everything from home. 4. Social media support agency. Sell results, not random tasks. A social media agency sounds fancy, but at the beginning, it can be very simple. You help local businesses show up consistently online. The mistake people make is offering vague help like, I can manage your Instagram. Businesses don't buy that. They buy outcomes, more visibility, more inquiries, more appointments, more trust. So instead of selling posting, sell a clear package. For example, a monthly plan that includes content planning, posting schedules, caption writing, basic graphics, and comment replies. When your offer is structured, it becomes easier to deliver and easier to scale later by hiring help. Start with 1 or 2 businesses you can genuinely help. Get results. Use those results as proof to sign the next client. This model can fit around a job because most work happens in batches, planning once a week, creating content in one sitting, and scheduling ahead. 5. Hair braiding or beauty services. High demand, strong repeat clients. If you already know braiding, styling, or beauty work, this is a serious micro-business with real demand. People spend money to look and feel good, and once someone trusts your hands, they often become repeat clients. The hidden business skill. Here isn't talent, it's visibility and consistency. Many skilled people struggle because they rely on random walk-ins and irregular pricing. The ones who grow treat it like a brand. Clear pricing, clean photos, a simple booking system, and reliable availability. You can structure this around weekends or evening appointments so it doesn't fight your job. You don't need to offer every style. In fact, specializing helps. Pick a small menu you do really well. Take clean pictures in good light. Post consistently on Instagram or TikTok. Make booking easy through WhatsApp Business or a simple calendar tool. 6. Content creation, a media business, not just influencing. Content creation isn't only about becoming an influencer. It's a media business model. You build attention, then monetize it through multiple streams, ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate links, digital products, services, and partnerships. You don't need expensive gear. Start with a phone, natural light, and clean audio. The biggest advantage of content creation is that it can be built alongside a job. You can film on weekends, batch records, schedule posts, and slowly build a library. The real goal early is not perfection. It's repetition. You're training your skill and building an archive that keeps working for you. When you post consistently in one niche, money tips, health, productivity, food, tech, education, your audience becomes more predictable and monetization becomes easier. This model often feels slow at the start, but later it becomes powerful because your older posts keep bringing views, clicks, and followers even while you're doing other things. 7. Food business, small scale, high demand. Food is always in demand, which is why a food business can be strong, even from home. You can do meal prep, baked items, snacks, catering trays, cultural food, or weekly pre-orders. The biggest win in food is repeat customers. If people love your taste and trust your hygiene, they come back. Where food businesses struggle is not cooking skill, it's operations. Production gets chaotic, pricing gets confusing, and delivery becomes stressful. The fix is structure. Start with limited availability. Choose a small menu. Take pre-orders. Set a clear pickup time or delivery window. Getting clients doesn't have to be complicated. A simple Google business profile, local Facebook groups, WhatsApp community posts, and referrals can carry this business early. If you do solid work for one client, they often introduce you to 2 more. Over time, when demand grows, you can hire part-time help and keep the profit margin by managing bookings and quality. 8. Online tutoring. Start one-on-one, then scale to groups. Online tutoring is one of the fastest home businesses to start if you can explain something clearly. English, math, science, exam prep, language learning, skills like Excel. There are students everywhere. It often starts as trading time for money, but it can scale when you add structure. Small groups, recorded lessons, practice packs, weekly programs. When you package your teaching, you stop relying only on one-by-one sessions. You don't need to be a professor. You need clarity, patience, and a method. Many learners aren't looking for genius. They're looking for someone who can explain simply, step by step, without making them feel dumb. This fits well with a job because sessions can be evenings or weekends. Even 2 or 3 days a week can build a steady side income. And once you build results, student improvement, better grades, confidence, referrals start coming without constant marketing. And there you go. 8 micro-business ideas you can run from home, even if you're still working your 9 to 5. The biggest mistake is choosing randomly. Choose based on your current season, your energy, your schedule, and what you can stay consistent with. Now tell me in the comments, which one fits you best, and what's the one thing that's been stopping you from starting? If this video helped you, please like it, share it with a friend who needs extra income, and subscribe for more real, practical business and money strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.